Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Simon Solution, and today we are going to deal an important topic, that is share. What is meant by share? Why is share issued? These things, and what are the details and documents needed for applying for share of any company or business organization. So first, let me make you clear about share. Whenever there is a big project, national projects that need a huge amount of capital, a government releases a securities bonds having equal amount, that is called share. And if you want to know about share, then first of all, let me tell you one thing, that whenever a big project is issued by government, it needs huge capital. A small amount is collected from people nearby, people of the country, organization or a community, and two, and huge amount of capital is collected and investment in business organization, and about after getting profit from the business organization, the percentage of the share, equal proportion, are given to the shareholders. The person who buys shareholders are called who buys shares are called shareholders. So let's continue now. First of all, definitions. What is meant by share? Here, share, it is a unit of ownership that represents an equal portion of a company's capital. Now let me make you clear about let me clear you the definition. It is a unit. It is a unit of ownership. If you buy a share of any company, you get ownership in equal amount, equal proportion of companies. कंपनी को क्यापिटलमा चाहिँ बराबरको हिस्सेदारी तपाईले शेयर किनेर पाउनुहुन्छ। तपाईको त्योमा चाहिँ लगानी हुनुहुन्छ भने त्यो तपाई त्यहाँ एउटा ओनर जस्तो हुनुहुन्छ। र यसले शेयर किन्ने वा शेयर होल्डरले चाहिँ कम्पनीको क्यापिटलमा चाहिँ आफ्नो इक्वल क्लेम चाहिँ त्योबाट लिन सक्छ र बाध्य हुन सक्छ त्यसको डेब्ट लस चाहिँ बियर गर्नको लागि। अनि टाइप्स अफ शेयर. Now, types of share. शेयर को टाइप चाहिँ कतिवटा हुन्छ? शेयर चाहिँ दुई टाइपको हुन्छ। एउटा ordinary share, preference share. These are two types of share, and what are the difference between these shares? We will learn in this way, that it will make you a definition also, and you may be able to differentiate between ordinary share and preference share. So the ordinary share is the definition of ordinary share is that in ordinary share you can vote at shareholder meeting. You can vote at shareholder होल्डर्स मिटिङ, सेयर होल्डरको मिटिङमा चाहिँ भोट गर्न पाइन्छ। यु क्यान चुज अ डाइरेक्टर अफ द company. Now, in preference share, no voting right. You are not able to vote in election of director. No voting right. Only ordinary share आफ्नो अमाउन्ट चाहिँ प्रिफरेन्स सेयर होल्डर्सले पाएपछि मात्र पाइन्छ। गेट प्रॉफिट अफ कंपनी get profit of company only after preference share holder receive their share र यो चाहिँ and this preference share यसले चाहिँ फिक्स्ड पिरियडमा चाहिँ इन्कम पाउँछ। if you buy this you will get a period fixed अनि पहिला नै यसको फिक्स्ड कति पाउनु पर्छ त्यो भने फिक्स्ड पिरियड इन्कम हुन्छ। योमा चाहिँ in this share ordinary share we are talking here, please watch till the end. You will be able to differentiate between the preference share and ordinary share as we are talking about the share there. So now the ordinary share are purchased by those who dare to take on higher risk. High risk and lower risk. And these are the things that we have done here. That is the difference between preference share and ordinary share. And the things that you need to have before applying for share is requirement for शेयर किन्नुको लागि तपाईलाई के तपाईको साथमा हुनुपर्छ। पहिले त फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेन्ट के छ भने यसको सर्टिफाइड सिटिजनशिप प्रमाणित सर्टिफाइड फोटोकपी अफ सिटिजनशिप सर्टिफिकेट दोस्रो में चाहिए बैंक अकाउंट नंबर तेसरो में चाहिए एड्रेस एप्लीकेंट को जसले एप्लीकेशन है त्यसको एड्रेस नेम of father and grandfather र चौथोमा चाहिँ डीमैट को अकाउंट नंबर जो चाहिँ तपाईले त्यसको माथि विश्वास राख्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने त्यसको अकाउंट नंबर र अथराइज्ड सिग्नेचर तपाईको अथराइज्ड साइन चाहिँ र अहिले ही मतलब छिट्टै खिचेको 2 दिन पछाडी वा 24 घण्टा भित्र नै खिचेको कुनै फोटो रिसेन्टली यसमा चाहिँ ज्यादा दिन पछाडिको होइन, छिट्टै खिचेको फोटोज। यो चाहिँ तपाईलाई सेयर किन्नुभन्दा अगाडि तपाईले यो कुराहरू बुझिराख्नुपर्छ, तपछि मात्र सेयर किन्नु। हस् त, आजलाई यति नै।